Now, 27 storm track weather with meteorologist Alexis Clemens.
Well, we are tracking the chance for some severe weather here on this first Monday of March. We have a marginal risk issued by the Storm Prediction Center. Right now, I'm thinking timing is about 3 to 9 p.m. The biggest threats are going to be hail and wind, but we can't rule out an isolated tornado or two, especially over the very southern part of Wisconsin. So let's go ahead and dive right into this forecast here. So there's been a lot of rain already over towards La Crosse, northeastern Iowa, into the central part of Wisconsin as well. But we do have this front right here, and basically what we're going to be watching over the next couple of hours is if this can progress back into southern Wisconsin. And if it can later on this afternoon, it will have a good chance of maybe igniting some of that severe weather later on this afternoon and evening. Now, right now, most of us are dry over towards Adams and Juneau County. A little bit of light rain picking up there. We've got cloud cover moving back into the region as well. Temperatures are going to start to fall, I think, for a lot of us into the afternoon hours ahead of this next system. Now, the big thing with this system here is that you might see rain earlier than the time that we're talking about, 3 to 9 p.m. You might see some showers and thunderstorms a little bit earlier. I just don't think that severe threat is going to be here just yet. So as early as noon, 1, 2 o'clock, you might see some rain across southern Wisconsin. But that severe threat doesn't come into play until a little bit later, after about 3, 4, 5 p.m. And it's going to be mainly over the very southern part of Wisconsin. This does include Madison and mainly areas to the south. But we'll have to kind of watch for some cells to form there, and if they can become elevated, we could see the threat for some larger hail, some strong gusty winds as well, and then we will have to watch for isolated spin up tornadoes. Can't rule that out, even though that threat is a little bit lower. Then that rain chance still sticks with us, I think, also into the overnight hours. As the severe threat goes away, you might hear some loud storms tonight into the evening and overnight hours between about 9 p.m. and midnight or so. And then that system moves on out of here. But just know that if any warnings are issued, we'll be here. We've got you covered. And then that system moves on out of here. But 3 to 9 p.m., that kind of seems to be the time frame to pay attention to. Now we have a severe potential. This is a marginal risk, which is only a level 1 on a 1 to 5 scale, but I don't want to downplay it. The tornadoes that we had February 8th, that was also under a marginal risk. So we do need to take this seriously. If you are in that green, that darker green right now, we do need to stay weather aware later on this afternoon and evening. This is an update though here at 11. The tornado potential has actually shifted a little bit further to the south and east. This does still include Madison, Jefferson County, and then parts of Lafayette, Green Rock, and Walworth counties there. So we will have to watch for potentially some little spin-ups, especially this evening, I'm thinking there. Wind potential and hail potential still remain the bigger threats, but this is still something that we're going to have to watch here. This is one of the good things with this system, though. I think we get some much-needed rain from this system here. I'm thinking widespread, 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch of rain. But where those thunderstorms end up, we could see up to 1 inch. This is a good thing. We need this rain here, but of course, if it comes with hail, gusty winds, and even isolated tornado, that's not necessarily what we want. But at least that rain will be with us. So we got a good chance for those storms this afternoon and evening, then some rain through about midnight or so, but we're not done yet. I will still be tracking the chance for some rain. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday look gorgeous. Look like they're going to feel a lot like March there, but we're tracking some rain Thursday night into Friday, and then that's right, a rain-snow mixture. I think we see Friday night into early Saturday, so just showing you winter is still here. I don't think we see a lot from that system, but it is something that we'll be tracking after these thunderstorms today. Likely going to make it into the low 60s this afternoon, near 50 for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday with lots of sunshine, rain into snow Friday and into Saturday, then sunny and a little bit cooler by Sunday.